I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys! So we have received a delivery from Glamerliz, and I have received the hand. Is it a hand? Oh no. What are you going to do? So, packaging is gorgeous. I love anything beautiful and sparkly. So the beautiful hand came in, wrapped up beautifully with a lovely little sticker. And then we have some lovely tissue paper, instructions, which is super cute, and printed out really nicely as well. Oh, and a little note that is so freaking cute. I am doing this one-handed. I've literally just come to work, but I just knew that this package was what I thought it was, so I kind of just had to get it. So a bit of amateur filming whilst I open it, because I wanted to show you guys my first impressions. And yeah, so we have all these beautiful little things. We have some extra refill tips, and they're all in cute little organza bags, which is super kind. We have a little note which I will read later. I'm just going to put you guys down and open up the hand, and then I'll hold it back up in a sec. Damn, Daniel. That is a beautiful hand. So far so good. That is pretty darn nice. I actually like the colouring and everything on there. Let's just see how these pull out. I'm just doing a quick test. I will sit down at my desk and show you guys properly. Oh, so they're a little bit different. Oh, so these are actually like shiny / glossy. They weren't like on the Poochie's hand. They are literally just exactly the same. Did you do a wee wee? No.
No wee wee.
Oh no wee wee.
What is it, Mama?
Do you like it?
No.
Touch it.
No.
It says hello to you.
No.
So yeah, that is pretty awesome. I quite like it. It's got veins and everything.
That's really good.
It's alright, isn't it?
Looks very real.
So yeah, I'll do a full video using this beautiful hand and showing you guys like the removal of these tips and everything like that. But yeah, first impressions is good. Also, you get the cute little ring, which I think is super, super cute.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.